Hi, John Rice of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, coming to you about 4807 Firefly. This house was originally built by White Birch Builders, and they were brought back to recently do an addition. This house now features a dining area with cathedral ceiling, hardwood floors on the main level, plus a fourth bedroom, so it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's an excellent location, close to entertainment and shopping. You're right around the corner from Knapp's Corner. You're only a few minutes from downtown Ada and downtown Grand Rapids. And yet right around the corner, just in walking distance, is Versluis Lake, which is a township park that offers swimming, boating, little play area, you name it. It's just a beautiful spot. So check out this 3D tour, and when you're ready, this is one of those houses you're going to want to get in and see yourself. So give us a call, contact us so we can help you out. Enjoy the tour, and we'll see you soon.